Hi everyone, welcome to Nefis TV. These cookies, when rolled in coarse sugar, appear to have been rolled in diamonds. They are also so delicious and one of my favorite cookies. To start, combine 250 grams of softened butter and half a cup of icing sugar in a whisking bowl. Mix thoroughly until smooth and creamy. Add in 1 egg, 2½ tablespoons of cacao powder, 2 teaspoons of vanilla sugar, 2 teaspoons of baking powder, and mix until well combined. Add approximately 3 cups of flour gradually and knead. The dough should be soft to the touch in the end. Take walnut-sized pieces from the dough and roll them into balls. Then coat the balls with granulated sugar. Now place the balls on a parchment-lined oven tray and make holes in the centers of each one. Bake for 15 minutes in an oven preheated at 180 degrees. Here comes the best part. When the cookies cool completely, fill the holes with chocolate spread. We had 26 cookies using these ingredients. Hope you give them a try and enjoy! If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. Please comment below for further questions. Thanks for watching!